Shaima Khan, today with you all, with my poetry. I usually don't give title to my poetries, so well, it goes like this. Being one of you is never easy. Being one of you is never easy when all are gathered in a single affray and you feel you don't belong in that we. The phase of childhood was on verge of ending, and we were the warriors of the Golden Gate, the so-called SLC. The school was not less than any party palace when we were treated like prince and princess. The glamour of the beauty on that day made my eyes flutter in millions ways. Girls in gowns and high heels, boys pretty admirable in black suits. It was a farewell for us, for living this memory. For leaving this memory, from the uniform we wore to the shiny shoes touching the floor, from escaping the morning assembly to the moment of faking sickness and acting wildly, sometimes prompting to be best, enthusiastically celebrating every fest, like the whole world existed there, from happiness to the sadness, like the only world belonged to us. On that day, I existed there as a sunflower among the roses, you see. I sat at corner, making an argument. My mind says I am not one of them. My heart fights back, screaming, I am no different from any of them. Not the tight jeans, neither the high heels, not the shiny gowns, not the makeup on. When I was called suddenly, being the queen of stage, for my last few words to say, few claps and few teasing smiles welcomed me for my performance. Standing there for the first time, my legs went feeble. My confidence evaporated, a shiver went down my spine. I shut my eyes so hard to give a relief to myself. The anxiety that makes me fail, am I one of them or someone very strange? My mind sparks thousands of ideas, inner self attacking me with emotions. Helplessly, I'm trying to face the laceration when I heard a whisper bringing me to sensation. The maroon kurta with bindi on forehead, with chunri on the shoulder. The hijab captivating the cute face. Indeed, you are unique in a race. Like among the stars, there existed a moon. I tell you, be-intiha, behad khoobsurat tum. The curve of my lips widened more. My teacher was there to give me comfort. Those words hit me hard, the words my mirror tells me even now. Every morning when I stand in front of her, she says, I can slay. She says, the beauty is not being one of all, but the beauty is to be different from all. Know your worth, know yourself, show the identity you actually hold. As the tree changes the leaves, but the root remains the same. When you see yourself with all pride and delight, say, be-intiha, behad khoobsurat tum. Tum aur tum. Be-intiha, behad khoobsurat tum. सब है बेहद हसीन तुमसे, सारे यहाँ सुंदर तुमसे. सब है बेहद हसीन तुमसे, सारे यहाँ सुंदर तुमसे. तुमको होती है बेजारी खुद से, तुम बनना चाहो उनसा. You copy, you imitate, you try to be them, and you become them. You become them. Oh wait, what? You became them? ये क्या तुम और तुम सा फिर कौन यहाँ, कौन है बेहतर तुमसे, कौन है बदतर तुमसे। तुम ना रहे ये कैसी मोहब्बत खुद से। सबको पीछे छोड़ो तुम, खुद को आगे बढ़ाओ तुम, कि सबसे है दिलकश तुम। बेइंतहा बेहद खूबसूरत तुम, बेइंतहा बेहद खूबसूरत तुम। Once everyone say with me, बेइंतहा बेहद खूबसूरत तुम। Thank you.